Hi, this is an example of an introductory lesson, video lesson, that you would do in a classroom to use the engage and the explore parts of the 5 E's of constructivism. And this is like what you're going to do for your midterm. And I'm going to try to keep it between 5 to 7 minutes and demonstrate some kinds of properties. This would be for a 6th grade classroom in science, looking at different states of matter. What is this?
A candle?
A candle. And how would you describe it?
Green.
It's green. Anything else you could say about it?
It's a small candle.
It's small. How big is it?
About 1.5 inches.
About 1.5 inches. So it's small, it's green. Has it been used?
Yes.
Yeah, it looks like it's been used as well. And if you were to describe this as one of the states of matter, what do you think it would be?
A solid.
A solid. And what do you know about solids? They don't change shape. They stay the shape in which they're in. So this would be a candle, good physical properties. It's a solid. How about this? What is this?
A liquid. Green water.
Some kind of green water or some kind of liquid. So you said it's a liquid. What do you know about liquids? Yeah, they can take the shape of
whatever they're in.
Whatever they're in. So if you had a liquid in here, or a liquid in here, or in here, what shape would it take?
Whatever it's in.
Whatever it's in. And what else do you know about liquids? What else can you do with liquids? You can pour them. You can just put them into something so they move. They have a bit of a flow to them. And how would you describe the difference between a solid and a liquid? What do you say about a liquid?
Well, a solid doesn't change shape, and a liquid would change shape.
And a liquid would change shape. Good. How about this? What is this?
A glass.
A glass. Okay, what's in it?
Nothing.
Nothing. Are you sure? What's in it now?
Nothing.
Nothing. Are you sure? There's nothing in it?
Air.
Well, air. Okay, so air might be in it. Why?
Because air is everywhere.
Because air is everywhere. So there'd be air inside the glass. There'd be air all around the room. If I turn this over, is there still air in it?
Yes.
Is there air in it now?
Yes.
Yes, air is everywhere. So there's air inside this glass. And air is what?
A gas.
A gas. So what we have here is a solid, a liquid, and a gas that we're going to look at the different states of matter. So if I was to take this candle and put it in this pipe pan and then pour this liquid around it, what do you think would happen?
It would surround the candle.
Would anything happen to the candle?
No.
Well, let's see. So we'll take this and we'll pour the liquid all around the candle. And you can see it's just filling up the pipe pan, just like you said it would fill up. Now, if I was to take this glass, which is filled with air, and put it over the candle just like it is, what do you think would happen to the liquid?
It would move.
It would move. Which direction would it move?
Around the glass.
Around the glass. Okay, so let's take a look. If we take this, which has air in it, and we put it over the candle, which isn't lit, and we put it into the liquid, let's see what happens. And if you come up and look, you can see that there's no liquid inside the glass. It's all outside. So what's inside the glass right now?
The candle.
The candle and what else?
Liquid.
The liquid is on the outside, so the candle and what is inside?
Air.
Air. So we have air in the candle and the liquid on the outside, and it looks pretty dry inside there. So now, if I was to take this candle and light it so that it would begin to burn, so the candle's going to start burning, and while the candle's burning, it's giving off light, it's giving off heat, and what you need in order to have some kind of flame is you need a fire or a flame, and you need also something for it to burn with. Now, if I was to take this glass again that is filled with air and place it over the candle, what do you think would happen?
The candle will go out.
Candle would go out, and then what would happen?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either. What would happen to the liquid, do you think? What happened to the liquid before when the candle was out and we just put the glass over.
It stayed on the outside of the
It
glass.
stayed on the outside, so there's a couple possibilities. It could stay on the outside, or it could move to the inside. So let's take a look and see. So come on up close. I'm going to put this glass over the candle. The candle's burning, the liquid is on the outside, the flame just went out, and now if you look, the level of the liquid is actually rising inside of the glass to a level higher than the outside. And the question we want to explore is, why is that happening? So in today's lesson, what I would like you to look at are the different states of matter, and also to discover how volumes change, whether it's a liquid, a gas, or a solid.